myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India has reported 62,480 new cases, 1,587 deaths in the last 24 hours. As per the government bulletin, the country active caseload has fallen below 8 lakh after 73 days. Daily recoveries outnumber the number of the daily new cases for the sixth consecutive day. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800 The Government of India has announced Mr. Dilip Kumar, 98 age, with several awards and honors. They are as follows. The Government of India honored Kumar with 2015 India's second highest civil award and Padma Vibhushan for his contributors toward India cinema. 2000 to 2006 elected to Rajya Sabha, the upper house of Indian Parliament. 1994 Dada Saheb Phalke Award. 1991 India's third highest civil award, the Padma Bhushan for his contributor toward Indian cinema. 1979-1982 appointed as the Sheriff of Bombay by the Governor of Maharashtra, India for the second period 70. 1998 Government of Pakistan honored him with its highest civilian honor, the Nishan-e-Imtiaz Order of Excellence 71. Till 2000 Kumar was the only actor to have won 8 Filmfare Best Actor Award until his second record was shared by Shah Rukh Khan by mid 2000. But he deserved one more, that is Bharat Ratna. None can deny it. It seems he has lived in the character, he acted in several films, he has touched every walk of the life. Words are in shortage of for its description. Here one single song in which his acting will surely prove him worthy for Bharat Ratna. Let us hear the song. Several other acting of his penetrate hurt with tears in your eyes. Here is try to save his wife in the film or singing song for beloved. Let us have a look on it. A short description of Mr. Dilip Kumar. Muhammad Yusuf Khan, born 11 December 1922, known professionally as Dilip Kumar, is an Indian film actor and philanthropist best known for his work in Hindi cinema. Referred as the first Khan, he has been credited for bringing the method acting technique to Indian cinema. Kumar holds the record for most wins for the Filmfare Award for Best Actor and known also the inaugural recipient of the award. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest actors of Indian film history. Kumar debuted as an actor in the film Jwar Bhata 1944, produced by Bombay Talkies. In a career spanning over 5 decades, Kumar worked in over 65 films. Kumar is known for roles in films such as An Romantic Andaz 1949, Dwaswas on 1952, the social drama Daag 1952, The dramatic Devdas 1955, the comic Azad 1955, the epic historical Mughal-e-Azam 1960, the social Dakot cinema crime drama Gunguna Zamuna 1961, and the comedy Ram or Sham 1967. In 1976, Kumar took a 5 year break from film performance and returned with a character role in the film Kranti 1981. The continued his career playing leading roles in films such as Shakti 1982, Mashal 1984, Karma 1986, and Saudagar 1991. His last film was Kali. Kila 1998. Dilip Kumar had a long relationship with actress Madhubala but never married her. He married actress Saira Bano in 1966. They currently lived in Bandra, suburb of Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra in India. As of 2021, he is one of the last surviving stars from the golden age of Hindi cinema. Kumar's first film was Jawar Bhata in 1944, which went unnoticed. After a few more unsuccessful films, it was 1947, in which he started alongside Noor Zehan, that becomes his first major hit at the box office. His next major hits were the 1948 films Sahid and Nargis. Raj Kapoor and Kumar in a scene from the film Andaz 1949. He got his breakthrough role in 1949 with Mehboob Khan's Andaz, in which he started alongside Raj Kapoor and Nargis. Sabnam, also released that year, was another box office hit. Kumar went on to have a success in 1950, playing leading role in several box office hits such as Jogan 1950, Babul 1950, Hulchal 1951, Didar 1951, Tarana 1951, Dag 1952, Sangdil 1952, Sikasat 1953, Amar 1954, Udan Khatola 1955, Insaniyat 1955, in which he co-starred with Dev Anand, Devdas 1955, Naya Daur 1957, Yahudi 1958, Madhumati 1958, and Paigam 1959. Some of these films established his screen image as the tragedy king. In 1960, he portrayed Prince Salima in K. Asif big budget epic historical film Mughal-e-Azam, which has the highest gossiping film in India film history for 11 years until it was suppressed by 1971 film Hathi Mere Sathi, and later by 1975 film Sholay. Kumar and her fallen in love with Madhubala during the shooting of Tarana. They remained in a relationship for 7 years until the Naya Daur court case, during which Kumar betrayed her by testifying against Madhubala and her father, ending their relationship. In 1966, Kumar married actress Sarah Bano, who was 22 years younger than him. Her later married Hyderabad socialist Asma Sahiba, taking her as a second wife in 1981. That marriage ended in January 1983. He and his wife Saira Bano currently live in Bandra. Dilip Kumar does not have any children. Dilip Kumar was nominated as a member of Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Parliament of India, by the Indian National Congress for the period 2000 to 2006 from Maharashtra.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434 822.
One of the most important things you can do for protest against COVID-19 is keeping your hand clean and free from germs. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention CDC recommended that you wash your hand often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds for use on alcohol based hand sanitizer that contain at least 60% alcohol. But lots of hand washing can strip your hand of their natural oils to prevent dry, cracked skin. Be gentle on your hand. Use cool or lukewarm water with soap to wash your hand. Hot water isn't any more helpful against germs that can make you sick, and hot water can increase skin damage. Avoid antibacterial cleaners, they aren't that useful for preventing infection disease, and they contain chemicals such as a fragrance that can irritate skin. Wear gloves when cleaning to protect your skin. Defense for cleaning surface are effective against germs, but some of ingredient can be harsh on your hand. Moisturizer. After washing your hands, gently rinse and pat them dry. Right after, apply plenty of moisturizer. If your hand still feel dry after a minute or so, apply more. Use a moisturizer that hypoallergenic and free for fragrance and dyes that can irritate your skin. Keep the moisturizer handy next to bathroom and kitchen sinks, in your car, or at your workplace. Make it easy to repeat this practical step. Combine moisturizer. Sometime a combination of moisturizer work best. Lightweight creams typically draw moisturizer to the skin outer layer. Looks for ingredients such as urea, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid to seal the moisturizer in the. Follow with a high word moisturizer that prevents water loss. Oil based creams as petroleum jelly work well because hyper moisturizer can feel greasy. Some people have a thick layer on their hand covered with cotton gloves overnight. Don't ignore early skin protection. Even if your hand don't feel dry or chapped, be sure to moisturize them regularly. Preventing skin irritation from developing in the first place is more effective than trying to catch up later when the skin is already broken and cracked. Urgent requirement: TVS Hero Motocrop Limited, Neemrana, Rajasthan. Hero Chowk. All the salary benefits and all the company benefits were given here. The age limit is 18 to 25 only, and you can give your resume to this given WhatsApp number. MD Iftekhar Alam, 22 years, a student of Asansol Engineering College, as son of MD Ibrar Alam, resident of Naya Mahalla, Asansol North PS area, is missing. He jumped in the flood water near Iqbal Bridge, Jahangir Mohalla, Asansol. He had jumped for swimming. Asansol North PS has started research operation, but till now he could not be traced. Asansol, many area of Silpanchal were inhabited due to continuous rain from Thursday evening to Friday morning. Ward number 30 to ward number 42 of Asansol Municipal Corporation has been smuggled in water due to the submerged of Arkadanga. In the railway area, the locals have taken shelter in the local Gurdwara. About 30 people have taken shelter in the local Dakshina Kali temple due to the flood in a several houses in Bildanga. Barachak village has become a completely lost state. Thank you, police. Let's thank all policemen and women for serving us in the pandemic situation, ignoring their health. Record a 15-second video with your name and message and send at the 943482278 via WhatsApp. Best 10 messages will get a gift each. Last date 25 June 2021. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. Let us hear poem. Home they brought her warrior dead. She nor sound nor uttered a cry. All her maidens watching said, she must weep or she will die. Then they praised him soft and low, called him worthy to be loved, trust friend and noblest foe. Yet she neither spoke nor moved, stole a maiden from her place, lightly to the warrior stepped, took the face cloth from the face, yet she neither moved nor wept. Rose a nurse of 90 years, set his child upon her knee. Like summer tempest come her tears. Sweet my child, I live for thee. Alfred Lord Tennyson. It is very too late to follow your dream, Ronald Byron. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.